Okay, so we've got rooms that are blocked out later on. This guest is coming in for 2 days. And guess what? There's not a room available for 2 days. So how do we fix this? We're going to go here. We're going to go to the room chart. And then we're going to find a room type, king. And then we're going to look down here and see which one is open today. It looks like 317 is actually open because we've got a reservation here tomorrow. So let's go and search for tomorrow's reservations. And we're going to change these up. Let's put them in 314 and 308. That way, because 312 and 307 have been staying over. So now we go back to today's reservations. And we have a room to put her in. Done.